That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
A tēnā koutou katoa e te whānau. Ko maua o te maunga, ko tauranga te moana, ko ngai te rangi, ko ngā te rangi nui, ko ngā pōtiki ngā iwi. Tēnā koutou katoa. Ki te reo tūhono kirikiriroa me ngā wai o Waikato, tēnā hoki koutou. Nau mai, hara mai ki tēnei whitinga matapono nui. Au ko te whiringa toa o te rohe o te kāhui māngai, ko kirikiriroa me tauranga e tū nei ki papatoa nuku. E rere ana te whawhai i wainga i te awa o Waikato me ngā tai o moana o toi a te huatahi. Kua takoto te manuka, kua whakatau ngā toa mo te tohu nui o te rohe me te huarahi ki te top 4. Nau mai, e ngā iwi, ka tīmata a te hākina. Ko Stefan West tōku ingoa, a tēnā koutou katoa. And we are looking for a exciting Chiefs top 4 finals battle here te whānau ki Tauranga Moana. And the last time these two sides met was earlier in the Super 8 season. In fact, Kirikiriroa with a 7-point lead, rua te kau mā iwa ki te rua te kau mā rua. So not much in it te whānau. The last time these two sides met, and a lot of history as well between Tauranga Moana and Kirikiriroa. In fact, in rua te kau mā whā, Tauranga Moana beat Kirikiriroa in the Super 8 finals. So plenty of history between these sides. We can see Tauranga Moana, they're just heading back to the sheds now, getting their last preparations set in stone, and they're going to back themselves after having a very good win against Raukara, the defending national champions. So that was an awesome victory for them. So before the match starts, let's go through the team list. At number 1 for Kirikiriroa, Fifita. At 2, Hammond. 3, Kawai. 4, Hala. At 5, Broomhall. At 6 is Mills, and the captain for Kirikiriroa, Foot. At 8, Edwards. Number 9, Nordstrom. 10, the first 5 by the way. 11, Hunter. 12, Parai. 13, Marshall Moore. At 14, Ben MΑＯRI moves on to the wing. And at 15, the deadly Tuapola. On the interchange bench to round it out for Kirikiriroa, 16, Vaka. 17, Mātangi. 18, Puamo. 19, Hyatt. 20, Cole. 21, Diha Elliott. And 22, Mark. And they're coached by Cam Morby. On the other side, Tauranga Moana at number 1, we have Bidwa. 2, Bell. 3, Sauni. 4, the captain, Charlton. 5, Saliki Koro. 6, Bidwa. 7, Simeon. At 8, to round out the forwards is Vickers. At halfback is McDonald. At 10, Curtis. On the wing, Veron. And at second 5, Sachu. Centre today is Rai Portini at 13, and at 14 is Theron. And the fullback is McCoy. On the interchange bench for Tauranga Moana today, 16, Sopa. 17, Tai Kato Smith. 18, Osborne. 19, Keeney. 20, Veron. 21, Tai Kato Smith. And 22 is Saua. So those are our two sides, our two kapa. I tēnei yahi. As we can see, the referees just making their way onto the field. Really looking forward to the first wero. I te rā, the haka. Both proud schools and both proud of representing both their kura. So we're not too far away at te whānau from kickoff. Again, this is a Chiefs final qualifier. The winner will go through to the top 4 and represent the Chiefs region down in Papaioia, I believe. And many ex-All Blacks or current All Blacks that have played for both these kura Tauranga, Sam Kane, other professionals, Nathan Harris, Kane, Hammerson, Tanedo, Latimer. And for Kirikiriroa, Tabara Kubale, Gatlin, the likes of Sevu Reese, Luke Quinn, Tupaia and Nanai Seturo. So a lot of proud tradition between both kura. And as I mentioned, a very tight battle in Kirikiriroa earlier this year. In fact, Kirikiriroa, they want to watch their discipline. They had 2 yellow cards in the first half against Tauranga. So discipline will be a focus for Kirikiriroa. They don't want to be giving Tauranga any opportunities, and in fact they did let Tauranga back into the game after leading 29-15 with a few minutes to go. Tauranga scored a couple of tries there through Keeney. So I'm expecting this to be another close battle, as we can hear the referee, he's blowing his whistle, so we should see both kapa come out now. I see the kapa haka ropu from Tauranga ready to march their team onto the papa tākoro. And it's great to see the cultural elements come through and shine through these awesome fixtures. And obviously the Chiefs region living up to its name. Here comes Kirikiriroa, led by their captain, the number 7 Tom Foot. Many with caps. So there's a lot of experience here for Kirikiriroa.
Sort the ropes out there. I'll come past, I'll grab your caps and the anchor, yes. And I'll come back off like that. Not really. No, good man.
Ka rau te tua te kapa o Tauranga. E ke mutino nui tēnei mo tēnei kora ka kitea pea te timata ki tonu i te hihiko. We can see the Moaska Cup on the line today as well, e te whānau.
They got themselves sorted? Yeah. Mate. Okay, that's okay. Sorry. That's all right. Yeah, I get it. That was a mad rush. You delayed? Yeah, like 2 hours. Yeah, frustrating. And I hopped off fast. Shit, I got to get down here, but that's okay. Sam Klopp just made it here. He's sitting beside me. That's funny. Yeah, long week. Midnight. Last night.
We can see Tauranga just putting down their caps, and I'm picking Kirikiri will do the same.
It was going to have to be you, Dave.
You are. My purpose was here at home.
Yeah!
Kāra we ngā haka e rua ka puta te ihi me te wihi ki runga I te papatākoro me ngā paitaha I te rānei.
Sorry, bro.
And now we're moments away at te whānau from kick-off. Lots of passion shown in the haka. And as I spoke about earlier, discipline is going to be crucial for both these sides. The weather not too bad in Tauranga Moana. A bit of rain, nothing too complicated. (16 degrees). And we might get the odd shower throughout this kemu, but other than that, it shouldn't be too bad. Not much wind either down on the Papatakoro. As the referee just asks the captain from Kirikiriroa if he's ready, and we are underway. So Tauranga, they kick off to Kirikiriroa. And nicely taken from Tuapolo, a late hit there. Referee lets play continue, so let's see if he lets the game flow. As Fafita, he makes a carry for Kirikiriroa. They will want to look to exit here, as by the way, good high ball and good chase from Kirikiriroa, and it's taken nicely by Tauranga. So Curtis with a good take there. Out on the edge here now, Tauranga. It's taken to ground, so we've got an edge ruck here for Tauranga. They've got possession and taken into contact. Kirikiriroa just trying to slow the ruck down. More ball movement here, and it's a good tackle from Marshall Moore, but Tauranga just working the same way. Nice grubber kick through. There's plenty of space here. Can they tidy this up? Kirikiriroa. And I believe Tuapolo, he's just managed to get there. So it will be a goal line dropout, and that's a good start from Tauranga. So by the way, he'll get us back underway. Lots of intent there early from Tauranga to move the ball. And by the way, it does get us underway again. And he's kicked it out on the full. And that's a costly error from Kirikiriroa side. Options here for Tauranga. I believe it's a scrum on the 5 metre line. And this is a great opportunity here for Tauranga. Ko tēnei te wāhi tino nui o te kēmu. A kakari here for Tauranga. McDonald to feed for Tauranga. Good scrum here. Tauranga very close here through McCoy. Ka taia e rātou te whakawhiwhi ki te piro. Quite high here, Kirikiriroa. They just need to adjust their body height as Tauranga are just 1 metre from the try line. Now half a metre. Carry here again. Bell very close. A kōrero te piro Tauranga. With the first points o tēnei kēmu, so great start for Tauranga. Ka ki te koe te pukinga o tēnei tima. If we look at the replay here, just really going to their pick and go phases. And an excellent try there from Saliki Koro, I believe. So early points here for Tauranga. Rima ki te kore, piro. And can he get the conversion? Aye. So, e rua anō. Tauranga Moana with a good start to this Chiefs top 4 final. And by the way, will get us back underway through Te Whana. He's kicked it nice and high, but it's taken nicely there. So good work here from the captain, Charlton. As Tauranga will look to spread the ball inside their 22. It's positive play here, and there is space. It's a missed tackle from Marshall Moore, and they've beaten the fullback as well, so it's a good kick through as well from Tauranga. How's the kick chase? It's perfect there, and they're tidying up nicely, but that's a huge territory advantage for Tauranga. Is Harai just dived on the ball, and it's another 5-metre scrum for Tauranga. And real positive rugby here from Tauranga early on, just moving the ball, not being afraid to go edge to edge. And so they've got another kakari. Rima mita ki te rārangi. And it's a good scrum. Tauranga now with a crash ball here. But it's good defence there, strong defence from the number 9, Nordstrom. But Tauranga still with possession as Bidwa takes the carry. Just getting around the corner here, Tauranga. Going to their forwards, it's a good carrier game from Marae Portini. Just wanting to do the dirty stuff, but Kirikiriro counter-rucking nicely here. And that's offside. So Tauranga just wanted to watch their discipline there, and they've just let Kirikiriro off the hook. And by the way, we'll look the fine touch.
Not out, Nathan, not out. Not out, Nathan.
So good kick for touch there from Botherway. Hammond will throw for Kirikiriroa. It's a short line out. And that's nice quality ball there for Kirikiriroa. So we've got a carry here through the number 8, Edwards. Nordstrom now finding Fafita. He tries fending off the first tackler and does make ground, so they go to work again here. Kirikiriroa just getting their hands on the ball now. By the way, off to the captain foot. Just working their pistons here, Kirikiriroa. They don't want to find themselves isolated. Nice backdoor play here, so there's some space out on the edge. Ward with a kick through. That's not a bad kick either, but it's tidied up beautifully for Tauranga. McCoy, he kicks it just before the Rua Te Kaumaru. If he finds touch, that'll be a great kick, and that is a great kick from Tauranga Moana. So we saw some beautiful phases there from Kirikiriroa. Kick was put through, but it was tidied up nicely from Tauranga, and they've kicked a beautiful 50-22, and they've got possession here, so What can they make of this opportunity? They come to the front. Good line-out work there from Saliki Koro. And a nice carry as well. Their forwards have really stepped up early. More phases here for Tauranga. Hammond just trying to get over the ball, but no success there. And a good carry now from the second five, Sachu, but it's a nice carry around the corner. McDonald, Hepiro. And that's just nice heads-up play from Tauranga. The number 9, McDonald, just saw all the space on the blind side and he made the most of his opportunity. You can see him just eyes up footy, just picked and ran, and unfortunately Hunter just wasn't around. He was stuck in the ruck, and that's a nice heads-up play there from Tauranga. So Curtis now, here's an opportunity to push the lead to Te Kaumawha. You couldn't get a more perfect start here for Tauranga. Strikes it nicely, but it's just away e te whānau. So te kau mārua ki te kore, te kau miniti i te timata o tēnei hāwhe tuatahi. Kiri roa. E pewhia rātou e whakahoki atu ai. Ka whakatika pia i te kākiri rānei, ka pupuhi ki te taha Māui, mā te taha paparoa. You can see Broomhall just trying to get over the ruck, but not able to do so. And more position here for Tauranga, no advantage, so we go back. Just not releasing that tackler there, so Tauranga now can kick themselves out of trouble and just make their way back up the field again. Not out though, so that's inside the 22, called from the ref. By the way, he's just sent it back, so still advantage Tauranga as Bell will throw. Another rārangi poto for Tauranga. And they go to the back, and it's a great line out here. Tauranga with possession. They just want to watch their A defenders, Kiriroa, after being bamboozled from the number 9, McDonald. And that's a strong tackle there from Nordstrom. He's hurt himself. He's come straight off the field. More phases here. Tauranga just keeping the ball alive. As play continues, McDonald now. This is nice ball handling skills here from Tauranga. Foot just trying to get over the ruck, but the clean-out's been great now for Tauranga as we see McCoy with a strong carry of his own. Back down the same way here. Big defense. And Saliki Koro, he's been devastating. He pops the ball back inside. Still possession here for Tauranga. Back to their forwards and working their way towards the posts. McDonald now swings the ball over to Curtis. Curtis off to his fullback McCoy, who sends it to the number 12, and it's Sachu. Hepiro Pairawa atu Tauranga Moana. That's excellent work from Tauranga. kaore he timatanga e pai ake ana I tēnei, he rawa atu. Ko hihi ko te tākuro mai I te timata tonu. And if we go to the replay, obviously, just the phases they were building on the edge here, as we see Curtis just lining up another conversion. But Tauranga, they've had an absolute blinder of a start here as Curtis kicks it right from the sideline. So it's te kau mā ki te kore. And how are Kirikiriroa going to stop this momentum? They need to do something here because the game's going to run away from them. An all but perfect start, and it started from their kapahaka, who brought them onto the field. An awesome intro there from those tauira. So tēnei te mihi kia koutou. As by the way, for Kirikiriroa, he gets us back underway. Touch there from Moores, and now Tauranga, they're back again. Just missing too many tackles. What a great nudge too from Theron, and Kirikiriroa just 5 metres from their own try line. Tauranga, they're blitzing the raki, so they're going to get position. By the way, just stuck in the raki, can't move, and it's going to be hard to stop this momentum. Just building phases nicely. On his back, awkwardly, Tauranga. But they still have possession. They're going to get close again, and it's another pedal for Tauranga. And if we look at the replay, we can see the forwards just going to their phases, and it's another pick and go try here for Tauranga. Kirikiriroa just missing several one-on-one tackles, and it's cost them dearly, as a lot of you watching us, joining us more recently. The score is correct. Roa te kauma wha ki te kore. Tauranga have had an absolutely amazing start, as we see Curtis with another rua piro for Tauranga Moana. Kirikiriroa. Ki te kore rātou e whai piro o inaia nei, ka pau te hautū o te kēmu mā rātou. And they've swung the ball again, Tauranga, so they can see the space here out on the edge, and another missed tackle here from Kirikiriroa, another number 15, McCoy. He's running into open space, pops the ball inside, and unfortunately Veron's just stopped the ball. Otherwise that would have been a pure 1-0. An exhilarating start at te whānau from Tauranga. And you can feel the wairua from the tangata whenua. They're behind their side, and it's not often you see Kirikiriroa just on the back foot like this, and we'll see how they can respond. They do have possession now. It seems like they've barely had the ball. Kirikiriroa, Nordstrom off to Parai. He makes a carry, but there's no advantage, so it will be a penalty now for Kirikiriroa, and let's just see how they can try and tighten things up, get their defence sorted. Lots of one-on-one tackles, just not sticking at the moment. Yeah, it's a good touch finder here from, by the way, so here at Arangi. Mo te tima o Kirikiriroa. Hammond to throw. Just fake the front here and it's stolen there. Nicely from the Tauranga forwards, and they've come back to the blind side. Siliki Koro, he's had a great start. More phases here for Tauranga. Nice pop pass there. Simeon back down the blind side here. Nice tip pass there from Bidwa, but it's gone out. Bell, I believe, but didn't release the tackler, so there's a penalty advantage here, and unfortunately someone from Kirikiriroa's down. He's not looking too flash. As Kirikiriroa, they just want to regroup and have a hui, have a kōrero, and figure out sort of what they need to do to get themselves back in this game. Lots going on, lots of free-flowing rugby from Tauranga. They'll be under pressure again as Tauranga have the penalty advantage, so they'll have a chance to kick for touch or potentially extend the lead with another toru piro.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love.
Kei te Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on.
Kei te ngaro
So Kirikiriroa now, they tap and get us back underway after a pause in the game, just through injury. A good pick and go here from Edwards. He's a strong ball carrier, but he's tapped around the ankles and foot now off to his forward pack. That's Hala. Nordstrom now off to Botherway. Marshall Moore just goes to ground. More phases here for Kirikiriroa. How can they respond? Fifita now, he's up, he's in the open. Here, Piro. And that's a much needed response from the Kirikiriroa side. The game was running away from them. But with the try on the Ruatekau Manatee mark. They've gotten themselves ever so slightly back into the game, so good response here from Kirikiriroa. By the way, now just lining this up, we can see it's gotten clouded over here in Tauranga's. By the way, adds an extra rua piro. Ke te pai ke te maka me te rere o te poito. E Tauranga e hapai ana i te hoa, he kokiri whewhe tonu me te tū kokiri tonu. And let's see how Tauranga responds, and that's a good take from Kirikiriroa. Just finally getting some position here, Kirikiriroa now. Hala. No advantage there, so they've come back for taking the jumper out in the air, which is a good call from the referee. So by no means is this Kemu over at te whānau. Anything can happen from here. 19 points down, Kirikiriroa. 15 minutes until te mutunga o te hawhe tuatahi. And it's a quick tap here, so bit of deception here from Tauranga Parai. Linking up with Marshall Moore now. Breaks the first tackle and he gets to ground, so they just want to play up tempo now. Kirikiriroa with a good counter-rucking. Tauranga. And that not a necessary offload there from Mills. And unfortunately for him, he's given away possession, so a kakari here for Tauranga. As we can see, McDonald will feed the scrum. He scored a magnificent try down the blind side earlier on. Ko te kapa nei e kaha ana ki te tākoro I tēnei rā, Tauranga. Engari ko tēnei te wahi tino nui o te kemu. He kakari anō. Tauranga moana to feed. Good shove here from Kirikiriroa. Pressure's on, but the referee lets play continue, so just kicking it downfield is Curtis. Ball hits the ground awkwardly, and so Tauranga, and it's not quite there from Marshall Moore. It looked like the ball might have been up, but the referee says no, and Tauranga have a perfect opportunity now to go to their more. What will Tauranga do now? They've got an option at the front, but they do throw to the back end. It is a more, but possession's lost here, and it's a knock-on, so that's great defence at the kokiri from Kirikiriroa. And ko te kakari ki a Kirikiriroa I nai anei. I roto I te urua te kaumārua. Nordstrom to feed. They have scrummed well though, Kirikiriroa. And they're going down the blind side and it's no advantage. I spoke earlier on how good the scrum's been and they've got themselves a penalty here. Kirikiriroa, by the way. As we can see the umbrellas coming out from the crowd here. Just a bit of light rain settling into this fixture. Ko te ararangi poto. Kia Kirikiriroa I te hawhet. Set up at the back here. They come forward, Kirikiriroa. A few fakes and it's nice line out work there from Kirikiriroa, and so Parai will carry now. Kirikiriroa more possession here, big carry. And just some discipline, ill discipline creeping in from Tauranga. They just want to get that in check as they're inviting Kirikiriroa back in this game. By the way, just turns and looks to the corner, so they'll get another chance here, Kirikiriroa, before half-time. Just inside the rua te kaumārua. And what are Kirikiriroa going to do? I've seen several trick plays at line-out time from Kirikiriroa, but just not executing here. A bit sloppy, Kirikiriroa. And they've knocked the ball on and then given away a penalty, so good defensive work there from Tauranga as they march their way back upfield. Rain definitely settling in here at Ina taita matane o Tauranga. And Kirikiriroa now through Parai. Ref asked the tackler to release, so we'll get more phases here as Edwards pops the ball off the Fafita. Just takes the ball onto the ground, and now Marshall Moore, a nice left foot step there. Hala now for Kirikiriroa. But it's been stripped there beautifully from Charlton, the captain. He pops the ball off now, and it's another missed tackle, so Sachu, he's in open space, and another missed tackle from Kirikiriroa. That's two missed tackles, and they're going to get possession back now because Tauranga have made a mistake. Parai. Quick ball here for Kirikiriroa. Can they find space and go through the hands? By the way, now he's isolated. Great pop pass is Marshall Moore. Just on the halfway mark now, Kirikiriroa moves. He takes a carry. Good defense there from the number 9 from Tauranga. The captain foot now. Just working their pistons, Kirikiriroa. And just an up and under there from, by the way, the ball hits the ground. So play continues and it's just rolled into touch, so not quite a 50-22. It will be Tauranga possession with 5 minutes to go before te mutunga o tēnei hawhe. Bell will throw for Tauranga. Kei te tū te ihi me te wehi I runga I te papatākaro. Very crucial line out here for Tauranga. And thrown in nicely there. So Tauranga, they get to the whana, which is a nice kick there. And it's a knock on from Tuapula. And just a few mistakes creeping back into the Kirikiriroa side. Tauranga will have a kakari. Right near the roa te kaumārua. Great attacking opportunity as well for Tauranga. It's a midfield scrum. And they do come, te taha MΑΟRI. Good carry again from Satiu. Knocked on there from McCoy, so Kirikiriroa with possession now. Just working off to their forwards, probably looking to exit here, Kirikiriroa. Now they're outside the roa te kaumārua. And no advantage there from the referee, so that's a good call from the ref. And we're going back. To the advantage back on the sideline there. So just a few minutes to go before te mutunga o tēnei hawhe. It will be a ko te kakari a kia Kirikiriroa. And their rain's really coming down now e te whānau. And it'll change the complexion of this fixture. Few mistakes creeping in as well. Ka tukana a Nordstrom kia Botherway. A kawhana a Botherway. Kia Tauranga, so they'll have possession. And kicked out from Nordstrom there, so a great start there from Tauranga. They'll be pleased with that. Roa te kau mā ono ki te whitu. And we'll go to the break and see you shortly at te whānau.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao MΑORI.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Our top rangatahi go head to head. Watch live and free. Winter tournament streaming live ki MāORI Plus me YouTube.
Action! You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's saluting when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Tefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Anō mai hara mai anō e te whānau ki te kura tuarua o ngā taitama tāne o kiri o Tauranga. Tauranga moana, and they've got a lead. Rua te kaumā ono ki te whitu. E tino kaha te ua I nai nei. And that's going to make it increasingly harder for Kirikiriroa to try and get back into this fixture. 19 points down. Kei mua Tauranga I te reko ata. Ka ua ake mā Kirikiriroa mehe mea ka heke te ua. Me mātou te hopu me te maka. Me pū mau te pehanga a Tauranga. As we see the referee blow his whistle and get us back underway. So, by the way now, he kicks off to the captain, Charlton, juggles the ball, but possession with Tauranga. And they go to their forwards, just probably looking to exit here. Just slowing down nicely as McDonald does find the boot, and it's a great kick there. By the way, responds and plugs the corner. And that's a great 50-22 from by the way. So a perfect start here for Kirikiriroa. Ko te rārangi ki a Kirikiriroa. They weren't able to get it right in the first half, down the other end, close to the try line. But can they do the right thing here? Kōkiri now to Kirikiriroa. They are marching forward, and it's over. So here Piro, more Puamo. And it's the perfect start for Kirikiriroa. And if you just the rain's falling hard here in Tauranga. As we go back to the replay now, just kōkiri time here for Kirikiriroa. And Puamo, he had possession, he just kept marching his way towards the try line. And the replacement for Kirikiriroa gets a great put also. Judd just bringing the score ever so closer now, Botherway. And he shanked it, has Botherway, so but the scores will remain Rua te kauma, ono ki te kauma, Rua. But still a good start there from Kirikirua, a much needed start is Tauranga. They get us back underway. The rain is really falling hard now. Hala now for Kirikirua. And they're just moving the ball now, Kirikirua, Botherway. Another great kick here from Botherway, so he's just really trying to dictate the game early with his kicking game. There will be a Tauranga line out here, e te whānau. As we can see, Tauranga now, just at the Rarangi time now, moving the position, and a nice chip over the top here, Tauranga. And a lot of supporters, you can hear them just screaming for a yellow as they seemed it was intentional and stopped the try, but referee says just a knock on. Kia mahi pai mai Tauranga. I've looked really positive throughout the game with ball in hand, not afraid to move the ball even in the wet conditions. As Tauranga, they go right side from the Kakaria, nice inside ball to Rai Portene, and that's a high tackle now, so probably too far out to kick three, or they're thinking about the three. They will go for three here. It's a smart decision from Tauranga. 2 converted tries up in this fixture, and that will push it to 3 tries needed from Kirikirua. Not an easy kick for the number 10. But he does strike it very nicely. Just slightly to the left, but not a bad nudge there from Curtis. By the way, he needs to go early. And he kicks it straight to Saliki Koro. So he's tackled right on the edge here, Te Whānau, Tauranga. Through Bidua. Good carry there from Bidua. The captain now, Charlton. Think the referee has his hand out for advantage. Just a bit of a late hit on the captain, Charlton. Backdoor pass, more position, good tidy work there from Sachu, and there was no advantage there, so just a late hit there on Charlton, and Kirikirua need to watch their discipline. They can't give Tauranga any more opportunities, otherwise the game will run away from them. We see Curtis now finding the sideline. Just inside the Rua te Kaumārua. Just some changes here We've seen Puamo for Kirikiriroa. Tauranga will throw, they go to the front, and that's a smart option there. This ball's gone to ground. Referee has his hand out again, not sure about that one. It wasn't collapsed, they just fallen to ground, but play will continue, so great opportunity here for Tauranga. McDonald now moving the ball. Here comes McCoy. And no advantage, so the referee has gone back. They're going for the Rārangi here, Tauranga. Rain still continuing to fall quite heavy here. Saliki Koro, he's a target, along with Charlton for Tauranga, and they do go to Saliki Koro. Good more here from Tauranga. Push towards the sideline, but they've gone off the back here. Tauranga, he's held up. Possession still with Tauranga. Charlton now the captain, he's close here, Whānau. But that's held up and actually stripped. So it will be a goal line dropout.
Drop Tommy!
By the way, he could have gone early there and just tried to catch Tauranga by surprise. By the way, does get us underway again, so Saliki Koro, he's had a great start to this Kemu. Good ruck there from Kirikiriroa, but not able to win the possession. So we see Raipotene with the carry. Bidwa now takes the ball himself, Fafita with some strong defence. McDonald off to his forward pack. More possession for Tauranga here. Vickers. And that's an ugly tackle there from Kirikiriroa. Was lifted but then released. It was an awkward looking tackle. I'm picking a yellow card at least here for Kirikiriroa.
Right here. Get in the fucking series here right now and tell me to sit it down.
And we see the referee calls the captain's over. What colour is it? Kawai, I believe. 2 red cards. I don't know if I've seen that before at Tefano. 2 red cards. He was lifted in the tackle and It looked very awkward, and by all means, definitely a card was the appropriate decision, and the referee's gone with 2 red cards. And on top of that, Tauranga with a 3-point penalty conversion now. Kirikiriroa are going to have to play with Tekau Mā Toru Kai Tākoro I roto I tēnei kēmu. And this is going to be a massive water climb for Kirikiriroa now with just 13 men. This game could get ugly at the whānau, and they just want to watch their discipline now. As Tauranga do the right thing, they go to the boot, and by the way, with a good kick, that's a great kick. By the way, he's had a very good second half. His kicking game has kept Kirikiriroa in the game. And with just 13 players and 17 points down now, it's going to be very hard. But this opportunity here is crucial for Kirikiriroa. And they've had to go to a short line out here. And very ugly there from Kirikiriroa. Lots of disconnect that line out time. And losing 2 players to 2 red cards is... it's a tough feat considering 2 forwards, and that eliminates one of their jumping options as well. They will get possession back though, just outside the Rua, the Kaumarua. Hammond to throw for Kirikiriroa. Possession now for Kirikiriroa, just sloppy here. Due to the rain, it's not easy conditions here. We can see the replacement halfback for Kirikiriroa, Cole. He's just trying to go to his forwards. Puamo with a carry. And that's good defense from Tauranga. Hammond, he looks a bit worse for wear. Physio just gone on to check to see if he's okay. Both sides just need to get themselves back into this game. It's been a stop-start second half. As we see Kirikiriroa, they've gone to make several more changes, I believe. And if you've just recently joined us at Te Whānau, earlier in the second half, 2 red cards to Kirikiriroa. Just a tip tackle that looked very ugly, and they lost 2 players, 2 red cards, and so they've had to make some adjustments here. And if you look, in fact, I've only got 6 players at the scrum. And that's a great pick up there from Dihali at Parai now. With a good carry of his own. But not releasing the tackler there was Tauranga. Quick tap there from Cole. Puamo now. He loses possession. No advantage, so bit of footwork here for McCoy. McDonald just trying to plug corners here is Curtis. And by the way, returns it with another kick, but not able to find the sideline here. So Curtis sends possession back to Kirikiriroa and off side now from Tauranga. Matangi now, replacement forward for Kirikiriroa. Puamo with a carry. Cole off to Fafita. Matangi now with a carry of his own. Hala. He makes a strong carry. Saliki Koro just trying to steal possession here. More possession for Kirikiriroa. Boarding phases nicely. More possession here for Kirikiriroa. Boarding nicely with just 13 men on the field. Can they capitalise to a port? Just off to Hunter now. Hunter. It was a great pass from Tuapula. Hammond. This will be remarkable if Kirikiriroa can score here for Fafita. And he's going to be held up. But no advantage there for Kirikiriroa. And they're just going to tap the ball here. They need to keep possession. Puamo now. He's close. Possession spools out and now Tauranga. They have got the ball back, but it's gone to Kirikiriroa. Diha Elliott sends a grubber through to a pull. The ball's gone the ground and it's touchdown there, so could be a goal line dropout here for Tauranga. In fact, the referee was playing advantage earlier, no advantage, so it will be a scrum here for Kirikiriroa. It's a long advantage there. As we see Mark, Cyrus Mark's made his way on the field for the number 15 from Kirikiriroa. Patience to a puller. So more changes here for Kirikiriroa, just trying to figure out a way to get back in this game. We're already rua te kau miniti, I roto I te hawhe tua rua. Cole now to feed for Kirikiriroa. He goes down the short side here. By the way, he's given possession to Hunter now. Kirikiriroa just need to retain possession. Puamo. Good defense there from Tauranga. Fafita now. No advantage. And the referee double blows. There's been a lot of penalties given away from Tauranga. We saw 2 red cards earlier. He's just given the captain a warning to stop the infringements. Otherwise, I'm picking we'll see more cards here. By the way, he taps and goes back door now. Carson now off to Marshall Moore. He's very close for Kirikiriroa. By the way, points the other way. It's a strong carry from Hammond. Puamo now. And can he get the ball down? Yes. Hepiro. Kirikiriroa, Puamo. And that's a remarkable effort considering the just 13 players on the field. And this gives Kirikiriroa an opportunity now. If we look at the replay, just 14 phases through their forwards, and he ran high initially, did Puamo. They tried to hold him up, and he's used his strength to twist around and put the ball down. So that's a great pedal there from Kirikiriroa, and by the way, he's converted the try. So remarkably, Kirikiriroa have given themselves an opportunity to get back into this game. Still though, Tauranga with a good lead. Rua te kau mā iwa ki te kau mā iwa. Ka taia e tēnei kemu te haere ki tētahi taha, ki tētahi taha. Hunter now with possession, that's a good carry. Cole, the replacement halfback, goes to Hammond. He's had a strong game, and that's another good carry. By the way now, just linking up nicely. Puamo, the try scorer, comes inside. Knock on there from Kirikiriroa. And gone into touch, I believe so. It will be Tauranga possession at Rārangi time. Short throw there from Tauranga. Off to the captain now, Charlton. Nice pop pass there from Tauranga. So more possession for Tauranga. Charlton again, the captain. Tauranga just trying to get a penalty there. High shot there from Kirikiriroa. So they've gone for a drop goal here, I believe. And it is short, so there's no advantage, and it will be a good opportunity for penalty conversion for Tauranga. And they will look to take the 3 points here. Tauranga through. Curtis strikes it nicely, and that's a good nudge there from Curtis. So that extends their lead now. Poru te kau mā rua ki te kau mā iwa. And we're drawing closer to the end of this kemu at the whānau. And by the way, gets us underway. He's had a great second half, his by the way. Nicely taken here from Tauranga. And holding on, so Cole. He takes it quickly now, off to Fafita. Kiriroa, looking to play up tempo. Puamu. And that's good ruck work there from Tauranga. So they've just won a penalty at a crucial time. He rutu kaha tērā nā Tauranga. Ke te kaha te whakataetai mo te pōro. And just untidy there from Tauranga at line out time. So Kirikiri will get another chance with possession. But it's no advantage there, so knock on there from Tauranga. And with time winding down, it's every player's going to be crucial. O te kākari, o te tima a Tauranga. As we see Cole to feed for Kirikiriroa, good scrum pressure there, but just fallen. Ref had straight arm, but he's gone a short arm penalty. So tap and go here for Kirikiriroa, the captain foot. Doesn't want to get isolated. Hammond now. He makes a good carry of his own. And just getting themselves isolated. Kirikiriroa. And that's really good defensive work there from Tauranga. So just on the halfway mark now. Ko te rārangi poto ki a Tauranga. What can they do here? They go to the middle, Tauranga. Sloppy, but they get the ball back. Nice flick pass there from their number 9. McDonald and Parai now. Runs into solid defence here from Tauranga. Hala. He's carried nicely. As has Puamo. Cole now. Off the ball away. Mātangi, little pop pass of his own, Parai. Off the Hunter, needs to stay in. Just trying to tidy up here is McCoy. And just taken a player off the ball, I believe so. That's a yellow card, so Kirikiriroa, they have an opportunity here. Just trying to find the mark. And just a tap and go here. Right option for Kirikiriroa, Puamo. Big carry. And just a knock on there, the pass. Just on the ground. And more subs coming on here. We can see the 18-19 for Tauranga. Osborne, Keeney there on. The 16, Vaka. 12 WR, student at Kirikiriroa. 17 now for Tauranga as well. He's come on. Taikato Smith. And also the 20 Viren for Tauranga, replacing McDonald, who had an absolute blinder today. So both teams just going to their benches. Tauranga just trying to slow the game down. But a cramp settling in. And we're not too far out. Ki te mutunga o tēnei Kēmu. This Chiefs top 4 qualifying final. Advantage, I believe, to Tauranga. And just a high tackle there from Kirikiriroa. So Curtis just wants his team to get onside. And that's a really good nudge there from Tauranga. So great kick. And Tauranga, how can they strike here? Just sloppy there, so possession will be for Kirikiriroa. Close to their own try line though. This is an uphill battle for Kirikiriroa. And by the way now, just kicks possession into touch. The crowd's getting excited. You can feel the closing minutes of this game. As Tauranga edge themselves ever so closer to a top 4 place. Good Pōkiri here for Tauranga. The play continues. But it's a collapsed maul there. Good work from Puamo. And it is a scrum though. Tore te kau mā rua miniti I roto I te hawhi tuarua. They'll have to run here, Kirikiriroa. It's really slowed down the last 5 minutes. And we do get the kakari, so what can Kirikiriroa do here? Just carrying straight off the scrum here. Puamo with a good carry. Off now, by the way, linking up nicely. Pārai. Tackled out on the edge. Puamo wants another carry. Just the ruck here out in the middle of the pitch here. By the way, linking up with Diha Elliott. More possession, Hala now for Kirikiriroa. And this could be the final players, by the way, just no advantage in fact, so Smart heads up play there from, by the way. They need to tap it and go quickly here to Kirikiriroa. Picking that. This might, in fact, be one of the closing plays of the game. Ko te rārangi I te rua tekau mārua. Kirikiriroa. Hammond now to throw for Kirikiriroa. Puamo now. It's a good kokiri for Kirikiriroa. It's not moving forward too much, but now it is moving. Referee, let's play continue. Dihalia now tackled strongly from the Tauranga backline. Cole. Hunter back inside. By the way, more position here for Kirikiriroa. They're very close here, Kirikiriroa. Cole. And that's very close. That could be a try there. Referee says short. Hala. Still short here for Kirikiriroa. Puamo, is he going to get a third? Cole now after Hala. And there should be a try. It is a try for Kirikiriroa, but it could be too late. That is a pedal for Kirikiriroa, so. But I believe time will be up. And despite having two players in the bin, Kirikiriroa, they've shown a lot of mana by scoring several tries in the second half. By the way, to kick, he's missed, and that's it at te whānau, so ko tangi te hu, whakamutunga kua oti, te whawhai kua whakatau te meke, te tākoro motu hake, nā ngā kapa e rua. I hoa atu katoa e rātou, ko rātou ngākau, ko rātou manua, me tō rātou Māori ki te pāwhiti poro I tēnei rā. Whakari atu te toa o te rohe o te kāhui māngai, tauranga moana e mihi ana ki ngā ringa ihinga. Hei whakanui ana I ngā toa ka haere tonu a ki te top 4 he whawhai rawe, he hākina kina a tāhua. Nō reira, nā mihi nui kia koutou katoa, kua taimai ki te mātakitaki, tēnei kēmu whitiporo ko Stefan Tēmi haia we tōku ingoa. Ka kite anō e te whānau. Kia ora.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's horrible.